2020 was the year when the virus came for us. We started living with fear and we hid inside the house. No one came to school or parks, no more relatives and friends. We felt to all our broken hearts, so we thought it was the end. COVID ruined all the fun, all the gathering and games. I miss the beach, malls and sun, all my classmates and their names. COVID ruined Papa's pain, and the house is small and hot, so they rest outside all day, even though they say do not. COVID is all around us, goes on ruining all things, in the streets, the train or bus, with the fear it gladly brings. And now, we are so hungry. So yes, COVID is no good. And all our pockets empty, everybody has no food. COVID is very mighty. We all may seem so weak. And I think the answer might be. So please listen when I speak. COVID may be very strong, but the future still depends. If we make our hope our song, it shall never be the end. We shall work, move and pray. We shall survive and still grow. We shall hope both night and day. We shall fight for what we know. We all shall work together. We shall follow all the guides. We shall respect all borders, follow curfews when outside. We shall wear our mask always. Yes, whenever we go out. We shall wash our hands always. Do not touch our face, nose, or mouth. We shall give to the needy. We shall help and be a part. We will continue walking until we are through the dark. COVID have broken our hearts with the way it has attacked. Yes, it ruined our system, but our spirit is intact.